off the grill.
Are they free?
Yes! Today they're only $3 each.
Sounds great, but I left my wallet up on the sand.
I told you.
What?
Oh, that noise was dandy.
Y'all be careful. Looks like some big waves are coming.
Why, you buy a patty or get off me way.
Cowabunga!
What?
Aloha, Patrick.
Hey there, young fella. How'd you like to be our first customer in over 17 working days?
I'd love to.
Squidward, show him a menu.
I can't quite see it from here. I'll just have to climb on board.
That's a good one, Patrick. On board.
Whoop!
Whoa!
Careful! They're gonna capsize us!
Almost up.